In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the connection unstable issue on FaceTime for your iPhone. If you're experiencing slow internet issues while using FaceTime on iOS, then stick around because we'll resolve it in just a few easy steps. First things first, let's take a look at your internet connection. Ensuring a strong and stable internet connection is crucial when using FaceTime. Make sure you're connected to a robust Wi-Fi or cellular network. This is important because a weak signal can often lead to an unstable connection, causing interruptions during video calls. If possible, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes one might be more reliable than the other depending on your location or the current network traffic. Next up, let's consider the software your iPhone is running. Make sure that your iOS is up to date. Apple frequently releases updates that can improve connectivity issues, among other things. You can do this by navigating to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. If any updates are available, go ahead and install them. Keeping your iOS updated ensures your device has the latest fixes and improvements. Another simple yet effective method is to turn FaceTime off and on. This can refresh the app and resolve minor issues. To do this, head to Settings, find Apps, and then FaceTime. Toggle it off, wait a few seconds, then switch it back on. This quick reset often clears up temporary issues within the app itself. Let's not forget about those pesky background apps. Running too many apps at once can drain bandwidth and put a load on your device's system resources. Simply swipe away any apps you're not using to free up space for FaceTime to function better. If none of these steps help, it might be time to reset your network settings. Be aware that doing this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so proceed with caution. To reset, go to Settings, then General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Reset and then Reset Network Settings. This can clear up deeper network configuration issues that might be causing connectivity problems. Sometimes all your device needs is a good old restart. Powering your phone off and then back on can resolve temporary glitches that sometimes cause instability in apps like FaceTime. Lastly, pay attention to the network you're connected to. Congested networks can be problematic, especially when many devices are connected simultaneously. Try moving closer to your router to get a stronger signal, or disconnect other devices that aren't being used at the moment. Doing this can help prioritize your FaceTime connection and stabilize communication. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to improve your FaceTime connection on iPhone, making your conversations seamless and uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.